This is a typical 6-mark question on ionic bonding. Describe in terms of electrons what happens when beryllium reacts with fluorine to make beryllium fluoride, which is BeF2, and that would be 6 marks. My best piece of advice is to draw out one atom of each, and then you can really see what's going on. So then we can say that beryllium loses 2 electrons to become a Be2 plus ion, and some years that can get you 3 marks. 1 mark for saying loses electrons, 1 mark for saying how many, 2 in this case, and another mark for saying the type of ion that they turn into. We can also say that the fluorine atom gains 1 electron to become an F- ion. So again, you might get a mark for saying gains, another mark for saying how many electrons, and the type of ion that they change into. And there's no harm in saying why they do this. The atoms do this to get a full outer shell and be stable. We can see in this case, if beryllium gives an electron to fluorine, then the fluorine has a full outer shell, so that's stable, but beryllium still has another electron it needs to get rid of. So this is why we need another fluorine atom to accept the second electron from beryllium. So the beryllium atom gives 1 electron to this fluorine and 1 electron to this fluorine atom, and that's why it is BeF2, because for every 1 beryllium atom it needs 2 fluorine atoms to accept those 2 electrons. So let's see how we can write that into our answer. So we'll say each fluorine atom accepts 1 electron from the beryllium atom, so for every 1 beryllium atom it needs 2 fluorine atoms. So you can see there we've absolutely smashed this 6-mark question.